Hi guys, welcome back. We shall continue our case study, and in this particular tutorial we will start by looking at doors, then we go on to windows, and then perhaps we look at the roof. So let's start with doors. So to do doors, you go to the home tab, which is architecture, click on doors, and then you come on to this. What you need to do is to select your door. When we started, I showed you how you could find. You're not limited to the generic door that is initially displayed by Revit here. You can add additional doors by going to load family, and how you do that is if you click on insert, then you see load family, and then you look for doors. If we start with perhaps external, I'm sure okay, let's look for external doors. There are different external door types that you can have, like we can have that one. Okay, it's loading. I'll see what we've got here for internals. Okay, we can use one of these ones without loading additional ones. Okay, so let's use one of the internal ones first, then we'll put the external. The one that we have just loaded is here. You can see it here. If I presumably wanted to start with that, I can start with that one. If I want to put the main door leading to the living area, there I can put it there. Then I can put another door leading to the back of the building there, and that's external door. For internal doors, I can select that I want me to, and then start putting that into the bedrooms. You can see this arrow. When you get this arrow, if you want to change the direction, just click it and it will swap it the other way, the swing of your door, and that way we can add more doors. You can see what I've just done here. If I approach it from that way, it does that. So and just click to swing. It depends on whatever is faster for you. And there's a door going into that, and then there's a door going into that store there. And there's, I think, a guest room that is in here. So if we put a door there, yeah, it doesn't go. Okay, and then if we put a door going in now. Okay, so I think there's a store there, and there's a toilet, a bathroom here, and I think we missed a wall for a smaller WC that is there. If we just put it in now, just go to architecture, wall, basic wall position, about 1 meter, 900 will be sufficient. And that's that. Now if I'll come out of the command, we move this wall out a little bit, 1.1 meters. Yep, that should be fine. And we can put our door so you can use the smaller one. Okay, that should do. I need a bigger door, a double door there, so I can go back, escape, and click on door, load family, doors, internal doors, and you can find the one that suits. Right. Let's go with that one. So open. Yes, and that's really it. So if we now go to Windows, so go to Home tab, make sure you're not in any command, click on Window. If we can load additional windows, go to the end, you see Windows there. If we decide to use, say, Bay, let's use Bay window. There's no reason why we can't. It's really a matter of choice. Yeah, it depends on what you want. Okay. So if we put that there, put that on that side. Okay. Okay, and those are the bedrooms. And there's we missed out our door there. So if we escape to come out of any command, go to door, and we want our external door, and that is fine. And that's a family living area. That's the main lounge, and then bedroom, store, bath, WC, bedroom, store, and kitchen. And there's a car porch as an external porch, and this is external sitting area as well for this living room. Sorry, for the family living room or lounge on the where the bedrooms are. Now let's look at the roof now. Because of the traditional kind of roof I want to do, I think it'll be easier for me if I actually put some walls here and there, and then we can delete them afterwards, just to make it easier when we do the overhang. Otherwise I'll have to start drawing it, drawing lines, which will probably take time. So I mean, obviously once these videos are short as possible, I'll just put lines in here. I'll just come out of any command I am in, go to wall, very quickly just sketch, let's use the external wall that we had before, cladding, and then just draw it in. We'll take this out once we've finished. If I do the same thing here, nope, I'll quickly undo that. You see why I'm doing this in a minute. It's just a quicker way because of the time constraints. Okay, we can take them off later on when we finish doing our roof. Okay, so if we go to level 1 now, and let's put our roof on. So how do we do that? We go to architecture, and then we find the roof. Remember about the finish edit mode and cancel edit mode. So we want a slope, certainly, which is fine, and then we want an overhang of say 800 millimeters. Right, 800 millimeters, which is fine. And then we'll go to our draw bar, toolbars, or icons, and where it says pick wall, that was really the reason why I put these additional walls, because it's easier. So it does it automatically with the overhang. Otherwise, I would have had to start drawing the overhang. If you can see the faint lines that mark the overhang, I would have had to start drawing them out, which will take some time. So if we start from here and just click on that to select the walls. If you didn't see what we did, we're using pick walls, that icon there. So you just go around and then pick the walls. That is too long, we've got to edit that. Continue, we'll come back to that and edit it. We'll come back and edit this one as well, because we drew it as one continuous wall. So can we do that one now? Right, okay, so we need to edit these two lines, and the command to use is the split element. So if we click on split elements, and I'll split it in two places. Sorry, let's do this one first. Split it in 2 places, and use a trim command to trim. You've got to have continuous lines to do the roof sketch. So if we continue, let's deal with this line now. Split element, if we split it here, okay, and then we do trim, keep that one, and then do that one. Use the split element again, and if we split it here, and then if we use the trim command, always click on the lines that you want to keep. So now you can see that we've got a continuous line all the way around our building. And as we've done that now, I think that is fine. We've got our overhang, and you can see it's 30-degree slope, which is fine. And then we just click the green check mark to finish edit, and the roof is automatically drawn for you. If we look at the 3D of what we've done so far, you can see our building. Now we don't need these walls. Those were just to guide the construction of the roof. So if I don't need to edit any the footprints, that is fine. So I'll just go around and remove those walls. You could conceivably decide to do this in a slightly different way yourself by drawing the lines out. That is fine as well. Right, if we click on our view queue to the other side and just take out those walls, they were just guidelines, and there it is. We can go back to level 0 and put the floor on. If you remember, architecture, floor, just to show you how it is done again. Let's use this one. Let's do this external one here. Again, just like we said, you can come and look at your various wall assemblies the same way for floors. Select the right floor assembly. These are all generic ones for your particular design. You should really obviously look at the composition of the work that you're doing, and then select the appropriate assembly. This is a demonstration, a tutorial, so we can use some of these generic ones. They may not be appropriate for your design, so you've got to really, that is where your design skills or talents will have to come in. You've got to look at the performance of the building and select appropriately the assembly for both the walls and for the floors. So if we go with what we've got here generically for this demonstration, and just come out of our command by cancelling, and we're out of it, and then we just go on to install the other floors, which I think I can very quickly do one here now. Just do floor, use that. Hi guys, we have really run out of time for this particular lecture. We shall continue developing our case study in our next tutorial. In this one, we learned how to install floors. We learned how to install the roof. We learned how to put in doors, and then we put in windows as well. We will continue to develop this in the next tutorial. See you then.